So you want to know exactly where a component is in the world. That's get world location. Now as we know, actors are made of components like mesh, camera, weapons, etc. But sometimes we don't care about the whole actor, just the position of one part. Now this node gives you that exactly. So for now, to get this node, just right click and type in get world location as you can see on the screen. But the target is scene component. So you need a target. Means first, there should be a scene component attached to it. Otherwise it will give you an error. For example, we already have seen on the screen, as we can see on the screen, there are three options available for us. One is default scene root, the second one is cube one, and the third one is cube. So we'll select this one for now. But the thing is, it always need to be connected with a component because the target is scene component. Now just remove both of these here because we have an example prepared for us where, as you can see on the screen, we are taking execution pin from event tick, then we are connecting it to print string where we have attached the get world location of the cube to it, and it automatically convert it into string. But the thing that we should notice here is that it is going to print the location of the cube itself, not the actor. And then moving forward, we also connected one more print string where we connecting where we printing the location of the actor itself, not the cube, the whole actor. So now let's just compile it for now and see it in action, what happens when you press the begin play option. So before we do that, let me just show you. Let me just click the details panel here, and as you can see, we have the three options here. So this is cube 1 and it will only move the cube 1, not the whole blueprint. Now just press begin play and let's see. Yeah, now we can move the component while we are running this thing. Now as you can see, the green one is the actors location and the red one is the cube location. So yeah, this one is attached. As you can see, we are moving the cube and the only red one is changing, which is the cube's location, the get world location one, and the green one is the get actors location, which is the location of the whole blueprint, which is not moving, by the way. Only the component, which is the cube, which is that one moving. So I hope that it makes sense. Now it is used for spawning muzzle flash at the gun socket, attaching particles to a component, or checking where a camera actually is. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.